What separates billionaires from the rest of us? Is it luck, talent, or simply a set of powerful habits that most people overlook? Imagine waking up every day with a clear purpose, embracing challenges like stepping stones, and turning failures into fuel. These billionaires do exactly that, but what are their secrets? Let's uncover the mysterious habits that drive these ultra-successful people to unimaginable heights, and see if you already possess some of them. Number 1. Relentless curiosity. Billionaires aren't satisfied with just their bank accounts growing. They crave knowledge just as much. Their curiosity knows no bounds. They're constantly diving into new industries, exploring the latest technologies, or reading books on topics far beyond their immediate interests. It's not uncommon to find them immersing themselves in fields as diverse as neuroscience, art, or even gardening, anything that stimulates their minds. This thirst for knowledge is like fuel that keeps their engines of innovation running at full speed. So, if you have a habit of endlessly exploring, questioning, and learning, you might just be on the path to greatness. Number 2. Resilience in the face of failure. For billionaires, failure isn't the end. It's just the beginning of a new strategy. When obstacles arise, they don't crumble. Instead, they see setbacks as lessons. Rather than getting discouraged, they analyze what went wrong and find ways to improve. It's like an athlete who falls but gets back up, stronger and more determined. They don't fear making mistakes because they know each misstep brings them closer to success. This mindset allows them to take risks without worrying about the outcome. If a venture doesn't work out, they pivot, learn from it, and try again. Their resilience is what turns failures into stepping stones. By embracing challenges with this attitude, they build not just businesses but also character. Number 3. Strategic networking. Billionaires don't just mingle. They form strategic alliances that drive growth and open doors. They understand that success isn't achieved in isolation. Networking is more than collecting business cards. It's about nurturing meaningful relationships that can lead to collaborations, partnerships, and opportunities. These individuals actively connect with mentors who guide them, peers who inspire them, and industry leaders who challenge their thinking. It's a continuous cycle of giving and receiving value. They attend conferences, join elite circles, and participate in mastermind groups where they can exchange insights and discover new trends. Through these connections, billionaires gain insights that help them stay ahead of the curve. But it's not just about what others can do for them. They also give back by sharing their expertise. This cycle of mutual growth is key to their sustained success. Number 4. Focused daily routines. How you spend your day can make or break your future, and billionaires know this better than anyone. They don't just drift through their days, they plan every hour with precision. Mornings often start with meditation or exercise to set a positive tone. Then, they dive into high-priority tasks, making sure their focus is razor-sharp. Distractions are minimized, allowing for deep, uninterrupted work sessions. Evenings are often dedicated to reflection, family time, or winding down with a good book. By mastering their schedules, billionaires don't just manage time, they own it. What's your routine like? Are you in control, or is time slipping through your fingers? Number 5. Lifelong learning. Imagine having a library filled with books that have changed the world. For billionaires, this isn't just a dream, it's their reality. These individuals are lifelong learners, always looking to expand their knowledge. It's not just about reading books, it's about staying curious and open to new ideas. Whether it's attending seminars, learning a new language, or diving into online courses, they understand that knowledge is power. The world is constantly changing, and those who keep learning stay ahead of the curve. If you're always on the lookout for new things to learn, you might already share this billionaire habit. Number 6. Long-term vision. Billionaires are master visionaries. They don't just think about the next quarter. They're planning years, even decades ahead. This long-term vision allows them to take calculated risks that often pay off in big ways. Imagine looking at your life as if it were a chess game, planning moves that set you up for success years down the line. These titans of industry craft detailed roadmaps to turn their dreams into reality, breaking down huge goals into bite-sized steps. The key? Patience and persistence. If you can think beyond the immediate future and plan for what's to come, you might have this habit already. Number 7. Embracing innovation. In a world where everything is constantly evolving, billionaires are often at the forefront of change. They aren't afraid to take risks, try new technologies, and embrace innovations that others shy away from. Think of people like Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos, who've pioneered industries like space travel and e-commerce. But it's not just about flashy tech, it's about seeing opportunities where others see problems. If you're always exploring new ideas, experimenting with fresh concepts, or even just trying to do things differently, you're already practicing this billionaire habit. Remember, the future belongs to the curious and the bold. Number 8. Philanthropy and giving back. Here's a surprising fact. Many billionaires are also among the world's most generous philanthropists. They recognize that wealth is more meaningful when it's shared. Whether it's funding schools, supporting healthcare initiatives, or tackling climate change, these individuals are driven by a sense of responsibility to make the world a better place. Philanthropy isn't just a way to give back. It's a way to... You don't need to have billions to start giving back. Even small acts of kindness can make a big difference. Ask yourself, how are you using your resources to make an impact? Number 9. Effective time management. Billionaires know that time is the most valuable resource. They treat each second like gold. To maximize productivity, they meticulously plan their schedules. Instead of reacting to tasks as they come, they proactively prioritize what truly matters. High-priority projects get the most attention, while less important tasks are delegated or automated. This is where their ability to say no comes into play. They're not afraid to turn down meetings or projects that don't align with their goals. Additionally, they leverage technology to streamline their workflows, using tools and apps to stay organized and efficient. But it's not just about work. They also carve out time for family, hobbies, and self-care, understanding that balance is key to long-term success. By mastering time management, they achieve more in a day than most people do in a week. It's this disciplined approach to managing their hours that allows them to maintain their high level of success without burning out. Number 10. Strong work ethic. At the core of every billionaire's success is an unyielding work ethic. These individuals aren't afraid of hard work. In fact, they embrace it. They pour their energy into their passions, often working long hours and going above and beyond to achieve their goals. But it's not just about putting in the hours. It's about working smart. They focus on the tasks that yield the highest returns and are constantly... For them, work isn't a chore. It's a way of life. They're deeply committed to their missions and are willing to make sacrifices to see their visions come to life. Even when they reach the top, they don't slow down. Instead, they continue to push themselves to new heights, always striving to be better. This relentless drive is what separates those who dream from those who achieve. It's a testament to the idea that with dedication and perseverance, greatness is within reach for anyone willing to put in the effort. And there you have it, 10 mysterious habits that set billionaires apart from the rest. So, do you see any of these traits in yourself? If so, you might just be on your way to great success. Remember, it's not about having millions in the bank, but cultivating a mindset that drives you toward your goals. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more insights like this. Thanks for watching.